Okay, so for these ones, it can be pretty simple if you just put it in Desmos. I got it wrong the first time because I forgot to put it was in degrees rather than radians. So make sure you put it in radians because it wants your answer to be in radians. So it'll be put in one side cosine x and then square root 1 minus sine x. And then because it wants it in terms of pi, I changed my step for the x-axis to pi. And this is what you get. And you want to put in all the places where the two lines intersect or set. I don't know. 0, because it's a bracket, it's included. So say you have an answer where, like here, it says 0, and say you have another answer, see where it is 2 pi. You don't include the 2 pi because it has the parentheses, which is not included. So we're just going to input all the x's where they intersect. In this case, it's 0, comma, pi over 2. And then we don't include this one because it's 2 pi. Okay, let's see here. Let's do another one. Again, we want to make sure everything's in radians when we do this, or we'll get it wrong. So sine x cosine 1. And it wants it again between 0 and 2 pi. So 0 to 2 pi, we have an intersection here. Desmos sometimes it doesn't show where, there we go. So these, and we don't include this one because it's 2 pi. And then this 0, it doesn't intersect the other line, so that's not included. So it'll just be these two. So there's those ones. And then there's another kind that's a bit more complicating. Let's see if I can find it. It seems complicating, but once you get it down, it's really easy. Yeah, it's these ones. So one side, you don't have to put y equals. Well, do you? Let me look. Oh, I guess you do. So y equals 0. And then y equals 2 sine. And notice it doesn't have that thing where it's between 0 and 2 pi, so it's ongoing. And that's why we have to put it in that weird format. But you want to find where, I don't know how to describe it, where they're the same on the graph. So it'll be here and here, because this is the point where it is increasing, and this is over here, the next point where it's increasing. So find between those two. So it's 2 pi and 14 pi, and what you do is do 14 minus 2. So the difference is 12. and then it's over 3. So we put 12 over 3, and that'll be 4. So the answer is 4. It'll be, so you start with the lowest one, so that'll be 2 pi, and you're going to get 2 answers. 2 pi over 3 plus 4. It technically is plus 4 pi, but when you press that button, it has all this stuff. That's pretty much what they're saying. Plus 4 pi, and then it goes on and on. And then you have another answer. So you put or, because in this graph, there is a point where it increases, then a point where it decreases. So we're going to do the point where it decreases now, and then match them up. So that'll be 16 minus 4. Oh my gosh. $12 again, and then it's over 3. 12 divided by 3. 4. So same thing. We go to the first one, and we say 4 pi over 3, and then plus 4 pi with all this weird stuff. And let's see if we got it right. And that's how you do that.